In hospitals worldwide, a silent killer is spreading. Superbugs, bacteria that have evolved to resist our strongest disinfectants. They cling to doorknobs, scalpels, and walls, making surgeries a deadly gamble. Traditional solutions are failing, but to find a way forward, we had to go back, way back, 400 million years. Meet the apex predator. Not just a killer, but a masterpiece of evolution. Sharks have thrived for hundreds of millions of years, yet their bodies remain incredibly clean. While whales and turtles struggle with barnacles, algae, and parasites, shark skin stays spotless. How? The secret isn't visible to the naked eye. Under a microscope, shark skin isn't smooth at all. It's covered in millions of tiny, V-shaped scales called dermal denticles. This unique structure prevents bacteria from ever settling down. It's like trying to build a city on dynamic, microscopic sand dunes. Furthermore, these denticles create dynamic micro-vortices, reducing water drag by over 10%. Recreating this complex pattern was an engineering nightmare until artificial intelligence. Generative AI is now scanning biological blueprints, simulating billions of denticle arrangements in seconds. It is generating perfect, printable surfaces. AI-designed shark skin is now being applied to hospital walls, repelling bacteria naturally, and it's making cargo ships more aerodynamic, saving millions of gallons of fuel. We aren't just copying nature, we are optimizing it with algorithms. Subscribe to Earth's algorithm.